me Kitty make a talk a while ago say, if you stop, do this and stop with that. But that's why people tune in and support you. Right? And that person is not going to stop doing them as do because that keep them through the day also. You understand me, I say? They're not going to stop listening to them supporters, you know, because them supporters support them. So why should you stop the way you do for your supporters? You understand me, I say? And some people in the chat and make one bag of talk. Them people, them not support you, know. You understand me? I say the people who support you tune in for the support. You see what I mean? For the entertainment. Don't stop entertaining your fans here, so. That's all I'm have to say to you. Don't stop entertaining your fans. You see what I mean? Because that's what them are ratings for. You see?
Yeah, but good afternoon, sweetie. But him have to have limits. You understand what I mean? Because he's going to want a serious relationship, so he have to have limits. I'm not telling him to stop.
Then, yeah, but you're messing now. The limits, you see, the edginess and entertainment is what make him who he is. You understand me? I say he's very edgy, he's risky, right? That's the type of entertainment he provides. And the minute you start limiting him, he might get watered down. You understand me? I say? And when we get watered down, then people are going to stop tuning for watching. And you have a bag of people. You have a bag of people in the comment section. They want to see J-Fab series again. That's fine. Yeah. You understand me? I say, but the man have work for them. Let the man do him work.
Yeah,
that's what me say.
But you look at now, I'm not telling him to stop. I just tell him say have little limits and have little respect. If you understand what I mean, him still can have fun. Remember, this is Jayden. Come up with your creativity. You understand what I mean? Jayden is the person who depend on the app, will build the app to have fun and make up joke and game doing little content. So at the end of the day, Jayden can't water them because Jayden always doing content. Jayden just have to have, if he's going to something serious with the young lady, he just have to have like a limit and like a respect. And that's what I'm saying.
You know more remember when after him and the young lady get comfortable and them never come live too often. You understand me? I say? Think about that through that period there. Oh, him think they get watered down. Get missing out of the app. People asking when come live now. Yeah, yes, General.
Afternoon, big up on yourself.
Yes.
Chat, big up on yourself, you know. Yeah, man. But that's one thing I have to say. See? We get what you are saying about Jayden have a personal life also away from the media.
Thank you.
When you say a while ago, say when him forget about rated and entertaining people, them that is entertainment, him have a personal life. You know what 15, 20 years from now, him have a whole heap of regrets as every day, so certain things that him supposed to do.
Thank you.
You get me? So right now, him have a personal life and him a try to balance it too. But we should not do a try to help him balance it too. You get me? Instead of being selfish and say, boy, F off with that side there. Other side that we are talking about. Yeah, Jane is very entertaining. He's an excellent. Trust me, but at the end of the day, him have a personal life and we have to try to.
Yeah, I think
build a personal life.
Right.
Personal life, you know.
Hold on, I'm finished.
Yeah.
That's it. Him step on the app every day, and just entertain we with the back and forth and the this and the that. Him a turn. He's a man now, and him need there certain things where him need for do, right? And him want to do it, and him need our help. Listen to me, you know, him need our help to balance him out. And nothing wrong with that. No man is an island, Zane. So that's my opinion still.
Yeah.
But if you get the key word now, you say your key word and you say it multiple times. Entertain. Entertain is not like any other industry, right? It's not like your line of work where you go you do your thing, but you're not supposed to do a flirt to nobody because that's the type of work you're in. An entertainer, a movie star who like a Denzel Washington or kiss someone on film on the screen.
Yeah.
Him wife have respect that because that's what him do. An artist who may make all kind of video with all kind of sexual content or the stage or wind up a woman.
Well,
you understand me? I say?
If you notice, yeah, Denzel and these people, and these they know how to separate reality from
Exactly.
fiction. Right? No, what I'm saying to you is this, yeah. What I said to you is this: the position that Jayden is in right now, see, All if him serious about something, which I think he
look like a
is,
joke.
it gonna look like a joke because of how we are. Not me ever say we, or on anger the thing more time. You get me? On everything of a take as a joke. Sometimes I learn how to balance the thing. Me personally, him be a bit upset to me, but me and him personally talk about this before, and him rate Fabi, him love Fabi. You get me? It's just, I say, it's just about maturity, bro. Right. That's what it's about, maturity.
But what may I say? But you know, coming in a relationship,
him really want. Yeah, but remember, you know, a man can't do it within the first 3-4 years of life and apologize himself. Be a woman, be this, be that, and he mature quickly enough to understand, say,
and this
he not really do him no justice. He not do him no justice.
In a real life, but yeah, but we're talking about on the app now. We're talking about on the app, which is separate from real life, right?
Yeah, right, cool, yeah. But what I'm saying is this, yeah, fine. But at the end of the day, right, whether I'm on the app or not, personal things are going to come out there. You understand? We have to try for angle it a little bit better than how we are angry.
Hold on there. I could get something straight. I want Jerry can tell me this. What was the problem? Were you doing in real life or were you up on the app? What was the issue? Now, were you doing in a real life? That was the problem, right?
We might do on the app.
Now, Jerry can answer the question there.
I think a real life.
Exactly. You were not going in real life. But you talk about it all the while now. Even yesterday she talk about it. She don't feel same can circle down.
No, but that's what I'm saying. The reason why she's not gonna have that kind of, she's not gonna feel that way, yeah, is because of how everybody are angle the thing. Not everybody, but most people are angle it. You understand? Most people are angle it as a joke and boy, I'm not serious and him this and him that and whatever. Yeah, sometimes.
Well, you know, say Migs, most of them people that are free supporters who don't want to see them back together.
Well, like I say before, I'm gonna say it again. What happened there, so? Right? A supporter, right? I go against what supporter say, and that's because if Jay come out and Jay say, boy, I want back Fabi, right? You have a set of people probably from Jay team and say, no, for what? Fabi this and Fabi did that. Instead of shut them out, right? And a fight fire with fire. See? But once the back and forth start go, then a them thing I go fine. And so now I go take it serious because I remember saying, you know, she have our people in our chat with respect and she love. You understand? Once them say way, you done.
Well, this is somebody says,
2 years.
No, them say when you underline more, you have to take time dry out, you know.
Yeah, but you're going to 2 years. That's only say two of them supporters are not.
Hey,
no, it's true.
Biggs, let me just tell you. Biggs, because of something, hear me say. Jaydeen have a way of making a living, right? All right. And when I ask him to give up that way of making a living, well, that the other young lady have a way of earning right now, which is after app. She never get that up. She never get that up. And that's the point I tried to make to Jaydeen earlier. She never get that up, you know. Zin, so I asked Jaydeen to give up fame side. Well, you know, she never get that up. And fear source right now is one of the biggest inhibitor to them going back together. So you ask him to give up him side source where she never give up fear side. And that's why I'm not surprised to come out today and say, no, I'm not it.
Yeah,
guarantee you.
But watch this. Me mind no more, me for say anything, you know, right? Who knows what will happen if the two of them just really get back together. You understand?
Yeah.
I don't know. You might feel a way now, but probably down the line, a day or two down the line, when they really sit down and she actually see what go on and hear what go on, she'll say, all right then, you know, my sister, yo, watch out. You know, this a work for you, that a work for me, or we can compromise and make the two things them work together. That is relationship, you know, brother. It's not about selfishness or, you understand me as a married man can't tell that. Enough time. Hold on.
You know, married as long as
enough time my wife said to me, say, yo, she know what? No, hold on, enough time my wife
said. You know, married as long as, not try to make it clear, say, you know, married as long as
me. I don't want to do it. No, hold on, I don't want to do it, but you're not going. I'm a wife, I'm going to compromise with her. So, why I don't want to do it, I just say, all right, babe, I can try it. If it work, it work. If it don't work, we just go back to the drawing board and do what we need. This guy compromise. You understand what I say? So make it two people them get together, do them thing, compromise, talk what them talk about, You get to me, I say? And it gonna make the app nicer. It gonna make the app even nicer for the two of them get back together.
But all the girl want, are just with Jayden serious and stop your foolishness. That's all.
Yeah, man. If Jay do him video in a real life,
that's all. All she want
in a real life,
serious and stop your
and
foolishness.
man, that's all. That's all the girl. Whenever you hear she talk, that's all she talk about. The bun. She just feel say him not gonna talk the bun. And that's a fair concern. I don't think it's what going on the app is fair concern. Fair concern is where am I going in real life? And she talk about it a lot. She just feel say him not gonna talk the bun. You understand me? I say, and Jaydeen have to go prove himself to her and say, yo, yeah, this is my personality on the app. But he say after app, me got really.
You have a part to play too, you know.
Yeah,
as him supporter, you have a part to play in that too. No, you have a part to play in that too. You say it out of your own America, so you have a part to play. So you have to go make sure, say no. You understand what I say? Yeah? That image there is out there for say, well then, here we go, and Jane is not the same person where me used to be, a year ago, 6 months ago. Everybody need to chew in a hand to make sure, say, at that point.
Yeah, then, just do the right thing. Make big up yourself, do your big up.
Big up yourself, kick cap, man. There you go. Don't know the thing.
Man.
Yeah,
man.
Yeah. Go talk, yeah, bro.
Yeah, man. You can't tell me down, Jake. Jaydeen, you can't tell me down. Respect.
Cry.
So me go in now, this is the one they attack and bag of things. So me try back it up. But me try laugh at the face so. I mean, they don't continue attack. Then me try to get serious about that. Me say a prank or whatever. But me say me dupes. So we can run with a prank or whatever. Now if you know say, so we come out, go over Jamas, we make me talk to come out. We see that we're waking up at night and we're going to say a prank. Yeah, you say something good. No, that, bro. You guys are one man. Chipo. No, force. I mean, take it out.
Aye. Guys, you know why me feel like me alive all day? Me can't have a wheel. Me can't have a wheel, guys. Let up your mother. One wheel. Yes, Munchie. Munchie, sometimes I feel like more cuss out your blood clot. But right now, you talk something will make sense, Munchie. So, me not gonna really cuss you. Because you type something will make sense. You see it? Yeah. Stop calling me, can you over here, son of Batty, man? Bro, me now find out where she live, bro. Now find out where she live. Nah. I don't say it already, bro. Yeah. I told her if I want it. Me, what? Bro, she blocked me, bro. If she want to talk to me, she unblock me. I don't got nobody here, brother. I'm for call her when she block me. Can't call her when she block me, bro. I said them a move desperate, bro. You know about buying new chip. Call off unknown number now. Call off unknown number. Call off don't make no sense, bro. Just unblock me. If she want time, so I get all the time. Miss Allen, beg your will. Beg your will there. Yes, she unblock me on TikTok, yes. But I'm not going to text her on TikTok. I not download no app. I not download no app, bro. Brother, I'm someone desperate. Alan! Send it again. Me never see it. Yeah, buy followers. Alright. Send. Yeah, buy followers. So where you send me for followers then? Where you send me? You want 2K followers? That sound like enough money. Where you send me? What do you mean me have a chance? Or me have a chance when she still block me? That makes sense? Stop type up a suckud man. No, me not bust a head, bro. Send where you have. Let me see where you have. Send where you have, bro.